Guys, what's up? My name's Infinite Blue and welcome to Counter-Strike Global Offense. I'm playing Demolition on Bank, and I have no idea what's going on right now. I have no idea. Okay, there's one kill. I can't see anybody. I cannot see where the enemy's at. But yeah, I'm playing on hardcore bots. 18 health. Dang it! It's not good. Okay, I'm already at the P90. That means I only got one kill that round, so that's not that good. Yes, the game plays. We're gonna go up there and flank behind everything. Whoop! Whoop! Hopefully it works. Nope! This kills me! Jesus! Especially when I'm playing against bots. I mean, I'm playing against bots, and I'm even horrible.
Be careful.
I don't even own these weapons.
Covering the safe.
Thank you. Yeah, we won. GG team. GG. But I get the UMP. Yep, UMP. 3, 2, 1. Go.
Let's go.
All right. So.
Guarding the safe.
Guarding the safe. Oh my god! No. Oh, I can go in. Okay, I did not know you could do that on Demolition. Yeah! Although I stole a man's body. I'm a cheater. Still stuck with the UMP. I want to get to the Desert Eagle. I don't know if anybody's to the Desert Eagle yet.
Covering the safe. Target's acquired.
Got one. There's a 2.
I'm staying with the bomb.
There's 3. Ow, I died. Fail. You're. Oh, look at that. A Desert Eagle and a flashbang. That means I got 3 kills. Dang. Look at my beautiful crimson red. Go up here.
Covering the bomb.
Good shot.
2 bad guys left.
I have no idea where the last bad guy is then.
One guy.
Well, that was. You guys should feel dumb. It was right there the entire time. Dominating Kurt. Hello there. Oh, I get a Nova and a grenade. I'll take that. It's not going to have a grenade, but. Let's look at this Nova. Alright, round 6 and 3, 2, 1. Taking the roof again, because why not? Am I right? Chuck a grenade in there. Jesus Christ, die. Thank you. Ooh, I get the 5-7 next. That's good, fine. That's fine with me. I think I'm in first, am I? Yep, 8 kills.
Let's move out.
He's still with the deal.
After entry point.
Go here. Surprise! Alright, you're dead. Yeah, there's another. Can we get anybody else the grenade? Bomb man's still in there. Where's Bomb Man at? Oh, he's over there. Get him! Yeah! What is that? 2 grenades? 2 grenades. Yeah. What am I at now? P2000? I don't even know. I mean, I've used this gun before. Counter-terrorist. If you don't know what this mode is, you're even tactics, bruh. Get it? 'Cause tactics, bonus grenade. One guy left. He could be anywhere. He could be behind me. Oh, look at his mic. Hello. How's your day? You just flew in front of the screen. This round I'm getting SSG-08. That is a sniper.
Grab your gear. Let's go.
I'm not good with a sniper. Can I just say that? Dang it. I want to get rid of this gun. Yes! What?
2 guys left.
What? What?
Found everything.
What? Why don't I get another gun? This game lied to me. I was promised a refund!
Good job,
Probably because that was the
everyone.
last gun. Yeah! So yeah. There was just a round of demolition. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe. And have an amazing Easter. Peace out.